All right, the heat was certainly on today, and it's going to be getting hotter and muggier in the days ahead. I am tracking a tropical system in addition to some monsoon moisture coming in. But right now we have lots of sunshine across the county. Even the marine layer is starting to reform along our coast from our La Jolla sky cam. But we saw more 90s for our inland neighborhoods today. We're still in the 90s in Ramona, Escondido, and in El Cajon's. Mid-70s up and down our coastline. 100 in Ocotillo Wells, 70s and 80s. Quite a spread in our mountain communities. But really, no matter where you are, it was warmer today. El Cajon and Fallbrook seeing the biggest spread from 24 hours ago, nearly 10 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. And tomorrow is going to be even warmer. Some patchy low clouds early in the morning. That will quickly clear out to sunny skies. And we're looking at highs mostly in the upper 70s to low 80s along our coastline. Inland neighborhoods, temperatures also warming quickly. We're going to be quickly soaring into the mid-90s by the afternoon. By 9 a.m., we're already at 76 degrees. So these warm days are going to be feeling even warmer because not only the higher humidity, but our overnight temperatures are also going to be getting warmer. So we're going to start the day off on a warmer note. You're not going to get that real relief in the overnight hours that we've been enjoying for a few days here. So tomorrow, 83 in Oceanside, 81 in Carlsbad, as well as in downtown, 83 in Chula Vista. Meanwhile, 90s in La Mesa, El Cajon, Ramona, Escondido, Fallbrook, and in Campo. Mid-80s in the mountains. Still actually a little bit below average in the deserts, in the low 100s here, but temperatures elsewhere mostly about 3 to 10 degrees warmer than normal. Mid-90s in Ramona, Alpine, and in Santee. San Marcos hitting that 90-degree mark as well. So this cooler air is what we enjoyed over the weekend. It is now leaving. And now we're talking about Tropical Storm Mario. Right now, sustained winds 65 miles per hour. It is going to be heading north. And then the moisture from the remnants of Tropical Storm Mario are going to spread into San Diego County, Southern California. But let's just focus on San Diego because we're going to be getting the most of the action because we're the closest to where this moisture source is. By 6 a.m. on Thursday, that rain starts rolling in, and it's anywhere in the county, and it's going to continue into the afternoon. At this point, it could be anything from isolated to widespread rain impacting the county, add in the potential for thunderstorms as well, which could produce very heavy rain in short bits. So that's what we're going to be tracking into Thursday. But we're also dealing with monsoon moisture. So starting Wednesday, we'll see that slight chance for some showers and thunderstorms in the mountains. Thursday is looking like the most active day, but this could continue into the weekend, though the chance for storms really starts to diminish by Sunday and Monday. So let's go day by day, looking at it in your 7-day forecast. So we're mostly in the 80s this week along our coastline. By Wednesday, especially Wednesday evening, there is a slight chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Thursday, at this point, I'm putting isolated storms, but we could see more activity. This is going to be something, since we're talking about a hurricane or a tropical storm, really what we're going to be watching day to day. But Thursday looking like the most active day, potentially some showers and thunderstorms lingering into Friday. Inland neighborhoods, that goes for you as well. Tomorrow's going to be the hottest day of the week. It won't be as hot, but it is going to be more humid for the second half of the week. And Thursday is going to be our best chance for some rain and thunderstorms. Now the mountains, tomorrow is when you have that first chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Wednesday, I expect isolated activity. Thursday, scattered to potentially widespread. Isolated again on Friday, and then diminishes even more so on Saturday. And even though it will be cooler Thursday and Friday in the 70s, it is going to be quite humid. And for the deserts, temperatures also tapering off for the end of the week. Higher humidity, and expecting to see some scattered storms here as well.